call for urgency and action.
In confronting the worst drug crisis in our history, we need to use every lawful tool we have.
U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions speaking to a room of Customs and Border Patrol officers on the grounds of JFK Airport Friday morning, a day after President Trump's declaration of a public health emergency on what's become a deadly drug crisis. More than 64,000 people died from drug overdoses in the United States last year alone.
That would be the highest drug death toll and the fastest increase in the death toll in American history. And that would mean that more Americans died of drug overdoses last year than died from AIDS at the peak of that epidemic, more than in automobile accidents. For Americans under the age of 50,
the federal efforts to curb the opioid epidemic will soon be even greater in our area. Today, the Drug Enforcement Agency announcing that Long Island has been selected as one of 6 locations nationwide that will have a special enforcement team to combat the flow of heroin and fentanyl. Attorney General Sessions also commending those already making a difference, like Customs and Border Protection Officer Thomas Pagano.
The more you look, the more you're going to find.
Pagano responsible for intercepting 30 different packages of fentanyl in the mail system in the past 2 months. He's from Valley Stream, Long Island, and says for him and his colleagues, this battle is personal.
You all know somebody who knows somebody or have a family member who knows somebody that's either been directly affected by drugs, addiction, and overdose. I mean, it hits close to home for a lot of people.
Well, the Attorney General went on to say that he has also assigned more prosecutors to key drug hotspots nationwide. And while many say the Trump administration's move is certainly a good first step, a lot of lawmakers have expressed concern that the funding that comes along with this emergency declaration will not come close to fulfilling the $75 billion estimated by the federal government that they say is needed to adequately combat the crisis. Reporting live this noon outside of JFK Airport, Janelle Burrell, CBS 2 News.